Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to talk to you about a fire starter that just may well be a game changer. Stay tuned. And I bought this with my own money because I had seen it demonstrated, and I thought that it really is a unique device, that it is a unique fire starting system. I really like the way it's put together, and it's definitely something that should have your consideration for a bug out bag or your survival kit, just in general for fire starting. Opening it up, we find inside there is this small burlap style bag. It's got the logo of the company on it and drawstring top. So when we open it up, this is what we find. A ferro rod that is epoxied to this piece of aluminum, and of course it has the tube so you can push it in and out. It also has, you can see that it has some serrations on the edges here that you can also use for fluffing up the rope or the tinder to start your fire. The way that this is cupped and curved is it's part of a tube. It fits right on top like this. It has this type of affair so you can actually detach this if you wish. Of course, that keeps you from losing it in the field. And then it's just simply put together with a loop and some shrink tubing, although you could use duct tape, which would give you an extra fire starter if you wish to make your own. Of course, this is also available from the same company if you wish to buy additional rope for it. How it works is quite simple. You pull out a little bit of the end of the rope here, and you can use this or end of your knife to fluff this up. And it's very easy to do. Doesn't take a whole lot. You can see all of that tinder fluffed up there. And then you just tilt this so that the angle is pointed down, and you want to pull the rope back just enough to where your sparks are going to fly into that fuzzy area that you just scraped up. When you're ready, hold this at a 45-degree angle forward just like you would any other scraper, and scrape down into it. It starts really easy, it burns really well, and of course you can use this to start your fire. You can extend it using the rope from this end, however much you need. And to put it out, some things I really like about this and what makes this unique, as you scrape a ferro rod, you end up using one end usually more than the other, as this becomes your handle. But this can be swapped end for end. So you can literally just pull this out. It's very easy to reload the rope. As I said, you can make your own, or you can buy it from the company if you wish. Just slide it into the tube like this. And now you can use the other side for scraping and starting your fire. Again, it's very easy to use, very easy to light, and puts forth a great flame. Packing it away is quite easy. You simply put this on top like that, and because this is a half a tube, it fits on this 1/2 inch by 6 ferro rod very well. And then you can just take this and wind this around to hold it together. You can either carry it in its own bag or put it in your fire kit with your other items. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, and while you're down there, you'll find our waypointsurvival.com link. And this is where you can sign up to take survival and bushcraft classes here at our beautiful training facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.